up, I'm going to show you how to play Smile Again by Blackbear on guitar. For this song, you'll be in standard tuning with your capo on 6. The chords you're going to need are C, open 3, 2, open 1, open, and then B minor, 2, open, open, 1, open, A minor, and then G. And then you'll go F. You can play it down here if you want to, but play it like this. F, so open, open, 3, 2, 1, open. C, F, G. So I'll just do the chords all in order like that. So we got C, B minor, so just put your middle finger down. You just walk it down. Right, so C, B minor, A minor, G, F, C, F, G. Repeat for the whole song.